Here at Swiss Watch Expo, we have every watch you need, and 'tis the season to buy Cartier. So this week we're taking a look at the Cartier Ballon Bleu collection. Now, as many know, Cartier is the watch chosen by many of the princesses around the world. And currently, Kate Middleton is a huge fan of the Cartier Ballon Bleu. And we have one of the most amazing collections here at Swiss Watch Expo. So today we're looking at the 28 millimeter in the 18 karat white gold. Now, this has a signature design. We have three different versions here with the black strap. We even have one with that beautiful pearl pink strap. And then also this gorgeous light blue gray strap. Now, all are done in the 18 karat white gold. And then you'll have those big, beautiful diamonds around the bezel. This is a little bit different reference because you have those big full cut diamonds versus the pave. So what that means is you'll have a lot of brilliance, a lot of scintillation, but a very clean and classic dial from Cartier. The Ballon Bleu is referencing the balloon shape of the case, where you have that kind of tapered feel, and even the crystal has a little bit of a bubble appeal to it. The nice thing about this is with that beautiful silver dial with the signature Roman numerals, it really gives you the ability to wear this with almost everything. Another little thing you'll see is that signature crown guard here, where the crown is tucked inside of the bezel. And then you'll have that blue cabochon on the crown as well, which is also one of the signature looks from Cartier. Now on this one, you of course will have that secret signature Cartier on one of the Roman numerals. Leave us a comment down in the bottom if you know exactly which number it's on. It varies depending upon model and year and things of that nature. One of the other things I really love about this is the fact that those diamonds are colorless to near colorless. So you are going to have nice white, crisp shine to them. Again, you'll flip this around and you'll see more signature Cartier details with that beautiful deployant clasp. And the reason that's really important is because it helps your strap to last a lot longer on the watch. You're not constantly opening a tang buckle, so you'll have a lot of life in this strap and you won't have to replace it that often. Now, let's take a look at this one. This strap has that beautiful gray blue that is oh so elegant. It gives you that almost kind of a neutral monochromatic look when you look at it with the dial. And then another thing we'll point out are those signature Cartier blued steel hands. They have a sword shape to them, and it really complements that blue cabochon on the crown. And then last, but certainly not least, if you have a pink lover in your family or you're a pink lover yourself, then this is a gorgeous option for you. That pink is not only pink, it has almost a metallic sheen to it. So it really gives you elegance, it gives you girly, and something that you'll really love. The one thing about the 28 millimeter and the Cartier Ballon Bleu, it actually faces up a lot larger in my opinion, but then with those tapered edges, it keeps it very, very elegant and very feminine. So if you're looking for a beautiful watch with that pink accent, then look no further than Swiss Watch Expo. We have one of the largest collections in the world of Cartier. So give us a call here in the showroom. We'd be happy to FaceTime you if there's one you'd like to see closer and get it placed in your cart and ordered and shipped to your house before the holiday. Thank you for watching this week. This is Angel at Swiss Watch Expo, and we'll see you in the next video.